Hi everyone, and welcome to a special New Year's Eve edition of Around the Kitchen with Steve. First and foremost, Happy New Year's everybody. What we're making today is a non-alcoholic punch that you can do for your New Year's Eve party. That's great for kids, for any adults that don't drink. It's super easy, super fun, and it looks cool. The ingredients are real simple. You just need 2 liters of your favorite ginger ale, 32 ounces of your favorite orange juice, 1 orange sliced, and then those oranges are going to be decorated with some maraschino cherries on top. Never can pronounce that right. Those are those fun Shirley Temple cherries. So all you really have to do is find your favorite punch bowl, open up your ginger ale, pour that in slowly. The bubbles are going to make it fill up faster than you want it to and seem like the bowl is more full than you need it to be. But we're just going to go ahead and pour that ginger ale in there. Alrighty, we're going to give that a second to stop bubbling. Then we're going to pour in some more ginger ale. I couldn't find a 2-liter bottle, so I got a couple of 1 1/4 liter bottles. So I'm just going to leave a little bit in this bottle, and that'll bring us to our 2 liters. I recommend going with a pulpless orange juice, just because I don't think people necessarily want to be having pulp in a punch. But if you really, really enjoy pulp, and your family or friends do, then go right ahead. But for me, it's always going to be pulpless OJ. So we're going to pour that OJ in there. I'd like to say a special thank you to my in-laws for providing me with this lovely punch bowl and serving spoon I'm going to be using. So once all of our OJ is in there, we're just going to give it a minute. You just want to take your serving spoon and just mix everything together. You want it to be where the ginger ale and the orange juice blend together. So that should be okay. We're going to put that to the side. Now comes the fun part. We get to take our orange slices and we get to decorate our punch bowl. So it makes it look extra fun with the oranges floating with the cherries on top. And again, like I said, this is a fun punch for little kids. They feel like that they're having almost like a Shirley Temple because of the cherry. It also is something fun for those adults that don't drink. Sometimes there's, just soda or water or juice. This makes it fun for that person who doesn't drink. So in one moment, I'm going to continue spreading these oranges around. You'll notice that some of my oranges, when I show you a picture of or the video of the punch complete, have some toothpicks in there because I just don't want the maraschino cherries to fall out. But if people want, they can take a bit of the orange and cherry and put it into their cup when they are ready to enjoy it. So we'll be back momentarily with that picture of our finished punch bowl, and we'll serve some into some lovely glasses that my wife has from her grandmother. Alrighty, here is our finished punch. Like I said, you're using those oranges and cherries for decorations. And when you serve it, if you serve it in a cup that's big enough, you could go ahead and put that orange right and cherry right in there. So let's go ahead and serve some up. Alrighty, we have our serving utensil. We're going to put some into our punch bowl. This will be a little easier if you have 2 hands. I'm holding the camera with my other hand, but you want to make sure you put that in there. I'm going to grab the orange that has the toothpick in it, make it nice and easy. Put that right in top. And now you have a fun, non-alcoholic punch that you can serve to your kids and teens and any of your friends that don't drink. And it's a great way to celebrate New Year's. And like I said, you could put it in any fun cup you want. I have these beautiful glasses that were my wife's grandmother's, so I'm using those for this.
And with that, you have a quick, very easy, fun way to do something exciting this New Year's. And from me to you, I'd like to wish you a happy and amazing New Year, and can't wait to make some new videos for you in 2022. Take care.